Samantha Lancaster, and this is my audience, Kat, Whitney, and Jennifer. And this is my speech about the belief in ghosts. Have you ever wondered about life beyond death? Do you believe in afterlife, heaven, or that we may go nowhere? Well, I have a belief I'd like to inform you about that happens to us when we die. So, the real question is, do you believe in ghosts? Ghosts are believed to be the souls of the non-living who can have a presence within the living. I decided to discuss the belief in ghosts because I have a fascination with true horror stories and paranormal activity. The concept of ghosts can be overwhelming, so I'll break it down into the belief of ghosts, what are the signs of a ghost, and what to do when approached by one. Let's begin with the reason I'm researching this topic of the belief in ghosts. Believing in ghosts is more widely based on personal experiences, sightings, and hearsay. But rather than trying to prove the existence of ghosts, I'm going to look at the popularity of the belief in ghosts. Personal experiences with ghosts are often when something is moved or whispers are heard. This is because something that is natural occurred unnaturally in some form or sense. For example, a door being slammed or the movement of an object with no explanation as to how it occurred. This can lead to a lot of people believing in ghosts. There are also many documented true stories of paranormal or ghostly activities taking place across the world. The famous couple, Ed and Lorraine Warren, happen to be one of the few who have documented and filmed their true stories through the movie franchise The Conjuring. It makes one wonder themselves, why would a true ghost story be turned into a movie if it weren't true? The popularity of ghosts also lead peers to believe in them also. Gillian Bennett, a folklorist, conducted her own study of how many people believe in some kind of spiritual being like ghosts. According to her book, Alas for Ghosts, Bennett found almost 2/3 of the 87 women said they believed that some sort of contact with the dead was possible. With this statistic, it shows how many women and possibly men believe in ghosts. Now that I have addressed why others believe in ghosts, let's talk about what the signs of ghosts are. So, if you are a believer of ghosts, here are a few helpful tips to help spot out a ghostly figure around you or in your home. Most ghostly figures are known to be in older and outdated houses. This is because ghosts can be attached to a land or house, usually through emotions, and can cause ghost-like energies. Another way to know the signs of ghosts are cold spaces that are unexplained. According to the book Investigating Ghosts by Orland Richard, it states, scientists have studied sites where people say they see ghosts. Often, these places are old, dark, and cold. Ghosts need energy so they can manifest the areas around them. Therefore, this can make the area to almost 20 degrees colder. Ghosts are also known for moving or misplacing items. They mostly do this because when they have enough energy, it causes them to throw or move objects to let their presence be known. Most people think this is dangerous, but in most cases, ghosts are unharmful. As knowing the signs of ghosts can be helpful, we also need to discuss what to do when approached by a ghost. The sighting of a ghostly figure is rare, but it is important that you follow certain guidelines. Ghosts can come in all shapes and sizes, which can be tricky to narrow it down to what it is. They can appear as dark black figures or a ghostly mist. When approached or having the visual aid to see a ghost, you usually don't want to approach it yourself. If you do approach it, be sure to not make contact, as this can serve as a way the ghost can gather more strength. To ensure this doesn't happen, we need to discuss some basic rules. According to Peter Underwood, the author of The Ghost Hunter's Guide, he suggests to not approach the figure. Try not to move at all, but observe everything but the figure. During this rare occasion, it is important to write everything down that happened after the sighting. After knowing everyone involved is safe, I would recommend contacting experts such as ghost hunters, a priest, or an exorcist. To summarize the information, we have examined the concept of the belief in ghosts. We have enhanced our knowledge in the belief of ghosts by discovering the popularity in the belief of ghosts, what are the signs of a ghost, and what to do when approached by one. The evidence that has been presented has helped us reach more clarification about the belief in ghosts. Now, when I watch more true horror stories or listen to podcasts, I'll know more about the belief in ghosts and and you'll know what to do when the ghost is among you. And those are my sources. Thanks.